किसी भी एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन बिना प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स किए अधूरी है क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर से आते हैं एज इट इज क्वेश्चंस या फिर उन्हीं सिमिलर टॉपिक से क्वेश्चन जो कि इन पेपरों में ऑलरेडी पूछे जा चुके हैं। तो अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100% करने के लिए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स करना हो जाता है बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल तैयारी एग्जाम की। इस चैनल पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं सभी सेमेस्टर और स्ट्रीम्स के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स को, जिनको कर कर आप कर सकते हैं अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को 100%। तो मेक श्योर कि आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी तैयारी हो सके 100%। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बीकॉम के फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर का इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर 1, दैट इज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स। ये पेपर हुआ है दिसंबर 2024 में। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है, आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होती है, तो इसे लाइक ज़रूर करें। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कि आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करना ना भूलें। अगर किसी भी क्वेश्चन या ऑप्शन में आपको डाउट है तो आप उसे डेफिनेटली कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं। जो भी करेक्शंस हैं उन्हें हम कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर देंगे सभी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द इंडस्ट्री विल बी इन लॉन्ग रन इक्विलिब्रियम व्हेन ऑल फैक्टर्स आर होमोजेनस। आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, AC इक्वल्स टू AR and MC इक्वल्स टू MR. Question number 2, how is the shape of demand curve of a firm in perfect competition? Answer is option number A, horizontal. Question number 3. Change in income effect on consumers' equilibrium condition is called. Answer is option number B, income effect. Question number 4. According to Caldor, when a firm expand its size, then marginal cost. Answer is option number A, false. Question number 5. Which determine price in perfect competition? Answer is option number B, industry. Question number 6. Monopoly firm. Answer is option number C, price planner and quantity planner. Question number 7. In short run, monopolist received. Answer is option number D, all. Question number 8. Monopolist equilibrium condition is in price discrimination. Answer is option number A, MRA, MRB equals to MRC. Question MC. Question number 9. Managerial discretion theory is related to which economist? Answer is option number B, Maris. Question number 10. In which year Maris propounded his theory? Answer is option number D, 1964. Question number 11. Who made production exhaustion theorem? Answer is option number A, Wicksteed. Question number 12. In oligopoly, which factor is not included? Answer is option number A, complete substitute goods. Question number 13. In monopoly market, answer is option number B, loss beer society. Moving forward, question number 14. Solution of externalities. Answer is option number C, A and B both. Question number 15. Which belief is used for cardinal approach of consumer utility? Answer is option number B, iso-marginal utility. Question number 16. Consumer will be in equilibrium when? Answer is option number C, MUX equals to upon MUY equals to PX upon PY. Question number 17. Indifference curve is propounded. Answer is option number D, Hicks and Allen. Question number 18. Angle curve shows that when income increases, then the quantity of necessary goods purchased. Answer is option number B, increase in decreasing rate. Question number 19. Income elasticity of demand for inferior goods is. Answer is option number C, negative. Question number 20. Cross elasticity will be between two competitive substitute product. Answer is option number D, infinite. Question number 21. Thought of consumer surplus related by whom? Answer is option number C, additional satisfaction purchased by consumer. Question number 22. Average production will be maximum when? Answer is option number C, marginal production equal to average production. Question number 23. Return to scale is related the change in that production when? पैमाने के प्रतिफल का संबंध उत्पादन के उस परिवर्तन से होता है. Return to scale is related to the change that in production that when? Answer is option number A, all the factor of production change in the same proportion. Question number 24. Cobb-Douglas function is received from which production function? Answer is option number C, constant return to scale. Question number 25. Variable and scale that thought respectively related to. Answer is option number B, short run, long run. Question number 26. Monetary cost in any commodity included following items. Answer is option number D, all. Question number 27. Which statement is correct? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Question number 28. An isoquant curve is answer is option number B, convex from its origin. Question number 29. Which cost continuous increases when production increases? Answer is option number D, variable cost. Question number 30. Per unit price of commodity is determined. Answer is option number A, AR, average revenue. Question number 31. Which statement is correct? Answer is option number A, MR equals to increase in total income upon increase in total quantity of commodity. Question number 32. What is the necessary condition to maximize the profit of a firm? Answer is option number B, MC equals to MR. Question number 33. Perfect competitive firm got in long run. Answer is option number A, normal profit. Question number 34. If the price of commodity is more than the average variable cost in the short run, then what will be the appropriate to the firm? Answer is option B, production is continued. Question number 35. Who developed the idea of selling cost? Answer is option number B, Chamberlain. Question number 36. Kinked demand curve. Explain which fact in oligopoly. Answer is option number B, price rigidity. Question number 37. In imperfect competition, firm received in long run. Answer is option number C, normal profit. Question number 38. Which of the following is not correct relation to oligopoly? Answer is option number B, price competition. Question number 39. Under perfect competition, straight horizontal line present. Answer is option number D, all. Question number 40. What is the selling cost from the following? Answer is option number D, expenditure on advertising. Question number 41. In which competition firm sells substitute commodities? Answer is option number C, imperfect competition. Question number 42. The necessary condition of price discrimination in monopolies. Answer is option number B, difference in elasticity of demand. Question number 43. Economic problem raises from which causes of following? Answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 44. Which problem raises due to unlimited wishes, limited resources, and alternative uses? Answer is option number A, economic problem. Question number 45. Opportunity cost is called. Answer is option number B, alternative cost. Question number 46. Who gave the thought of opportunity cost? Answer is option number A, Austrian economists. Question number 47. The slope of production possibility curve is. Answer is option number B, concave in origin. Question number 68. Which of the following is not the assumption of production possibility curve? Answer is option number C, technology of production changes. Question number 49. In capitalistic economy, answer is option number D, economic activity conducting by people. Question number 50. Who wrote Das Kapital? Answer is option number D, Karl Marx. Question number 51. In socialism, factors of production owned by. Answer is option number B, whole society. Question number 52. Main feature of mixed economy. Answer is option number A, economic planning. Question number 53. Coexist in mixed economy. Answer is option number A, private and public sector. Question number 54. Price mechanism operate. Answer is option number B, capitalism. Question number 55. Demand curve of which commodities goes left to right upwards? Answer is option number C, Giffen goods. Question number 56. Decrease in demand is caused. Answer is option number D, decrease in income of consumer. Question number 57. Relationship between income and demand. Answer is option number A, positive. Question number 58. Law of demand regulate in which commodity? Answer is option number A, normal goods. Question number 59. What is the cause of extension in contraction demand? Answer is option number B, price. Question number 60. When the price commodity change but the total expenditure is constant, then the elasticity of demand is. Answer is option number C, equal to unit. Question number 61. Equation of cross elasticity is. Answer is option number C, proportionate change in demand of X commodity upon proportionate change in price of Y commodity. Question number 62. What are the limitations of elasticity of demand? Answer is option number B, 0 to infinite. Question number 63. At the different point of demand curve, the elasticity of demand is. Answer is option number B, different. Question number 64. When the cross elasticity of demand is 0, then the elasticity of demand is. Answer is option number A, not related to each other. Question number 65. Which statement is not correct from the following? Answer is option number D, perfectly inelastic of demand curve is a straight horizontal curve. Question number 66. If demand of the commodity is elastic, then railway determine the transport rate. Answer is option number B, uh, low. Question number 67. The relation between supply and prices. Answer is option number A, positive. Question number 68. Which of the following factor affected the supply of commodity? Answer is option number D, all. Question number 69. Which of the following is not the assumption of law of supply? Answer is option number D. Income of the buyers are constant. Question number 70. In extension of supply is answer is option number B. Supply curve is not changed. Question number 71. Who was the writer of Value and Capital? Answer is option number A. Professor Hicks. Question number 72. The thought of indifference curve depends on answer is option number A. Diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Question number 73. Indifferent curve analysis. Answer is option of B. Present ordinal approach. Question number 74. Indifference curve analysis is old wine. This statement is of whom? Answer is option number A. Higgs. Question number 75. Generally labor intensive technology adopted. Answer is option number A. Underdeveloped countries. Question number 76. Which of the following is necessary to choose the technology? Answer is option number B. Availability of resources. Question number 77. In production theory, expansion path is according to answer is option number C. Income consumption curve. Question number 78. Isoquant curve depend on which assumption? Answer is option number D. Above all. Question number 79. Isoquant curve is called. Answer is option number A. Isoquant curve. Question number 80. The slope of vector price line is answer is option number C. Py upon Px. Question number 81. Division of labor and specialization is produced. Answer is option number A. Internal economics. Question number 82. Invisibility of factor produce internal economics. Whose opinion is this? Answer is option number B. Mrs. Robinson. Again, there is doubt in the answer of these questions. If you know the exact answer, तो उसे comment section में definitely mention करें. Question number 83. The meaning market failure is that activity of market in which answer is option number D. Above all. Question number 84. Which is not the source of market failure? Answer is option number B. Perfect competition. Question number 85. Market demand of factor is answer is option number A. Derived demand. Question number 86. Supply price of a factor is present factor in present industries. Answer is option number A. Depend on the marginal productivity. Question number 87. If we multiply the marginal physical productivities to price, answer is option number C. Value of marginal productivity. Question number 88. Opportunity cost of special factor is answer is option number A. 0. Question number 89. Which of the following is not related to welfare economics? Answer is option number C. Mrs. John Robinson. Question number 90. Marshall's economic failure depends. Answer is option number D. All are wrong. Question number 91. Which statement is true? Answer is option number A. Economic welfare is a part of general welfare. Question number 92. Pareto accept utility. Answer is option number B. Ordinal measurement. Question number 93. Example of Pareto's unavailability rule is answer is option number C. Above both. Question number 94. Welfare analysis of Pareto is limited to which sector? Answer is option number D. Above all. Question number 95. Which is not related to new welfare economics? Again, the exact answer is not mentioned over here. If you know the exact answer, please mention it in comment section. Question number 96. Compensation criteria is called. Answer is option number C. New welfare theory. Question number 97. Revealed preference theory is based on. Answer is option number C. Above both. Question number 98. Samuelson's demand theorem based in revealed preference present. Answer is option number A. Positive income elasticity and negative price elasticity. Question number 99. Full cost pricing theories present. Answer is option number B. Hall and Hitch. Question number 100. Sales maximum model of oligopoly presented by. Answer is option number C. Baumol. तो ये था आपका पेपर ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. आई होप ये वीडियो आपके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगी. मेक श्योर कि आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें. कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आपको वीडियो कैसी लगी और अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ इसे शेयर करना ना भूलें. वंस अगेन थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहता है ये कंटेंट तो इसे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और इसे अपने सभी दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि उनकी भी एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में उन्हें हेल्प मिल सके. Thank you so much, guys, for support, the continuous support that you are giving, and keep supporting us like this, sharing the channel and everything. Thank you so much.